Today you're going to learn to prepare delicious Swedish meatballs. Let's cook! Hello friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Carla Montfort. Welcome to my cooking atelier. Here you'll be learning simple and delicious recipes as well as many tips and techniques that will help you love and enjoy the art of cooking. If you would like to keep learning all these amazing recipes and easy techniques, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you've ever been to IKEA, you've tasted or have seen in their cafeteria their famous Swedish meatballs. This is an iconic dish in Sweden, but interestingly, its origin is really Turkish. I love this way of preparing meatballs because with very few ingredients, you can make a very tasty dish. And what really makes the difference is the sauce. Start by chopping the onion. It's not necessary to finely chop it. We want to have a bit of crunch when we bite a meatball. Next, chop the fresh parsley. In a bowl, we'll start incorporating the ingredients: ground meat, breadcrumbs, dill, onion and parsley, the egg, Maggi sauce, and salt. Combine everything very well. Start forming the meatballs. Try to make them small and all of them the same size. In a large pan, heat the oil and start to cook them. Turn them over so they won't oversear. We want to brown them a little bit. This gives them an amazing flavor. In the same pan, we'll make the sauce. Add the butter and let it melt. Continue with the flour and whisk until it's integrated and you see no lumps. Finally, add the beef broth Continue whisking until the sauce starts to thicken. Incorporate the meatballs and drench them with the sauce. Let them cook for another 10 minutes. When ready, start plating. It smells and looks fantastic. Let's taste. This combination of flavors makes you think of comfort food. It's delicious. The best side dish to accompany Swedish meatballs is mashed potatoes. I'll leave you a link with one of my recipes so you can try it. I think you'll love it. I really hope you enjoyed this class. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and share this class. And remember, the best food is homemade. See you next time.